The pause/start button turns red followed by 3 beeps and a further 3 beeps every 15 seconds. What's the problem?
Hi, can you post the model number please? Also, what kind of appliance is this? Regards.
Sorry, I should have said that the device is a Zanussi 7 kg electronic sensor vented tumble dryer models day 47100W approx 2.5 years old.
Hi, okay, let's see what the error code is. Turn the dial to any setting apart from the first on the rigth. Then press and hold the start button and the button to the left. Keep them held in and after a few seconds the lights will go out. Then the start light will be flashing. You need to count the number of red flashes then the number of green flashes and let me know. Regards.
I followed your instructions and get 11 red flashes followed by 3 green flashes.
Hi, that error code is a power supply low voltage fault. What you need to do is pull the dryer out and try another plug socket and see if this works. If it's still the same then the fault is going to be the control board, I'm afraid. So try another plug socket and see what you find. Regards.
I checked the plug socket and found that the plug had a corroded pin. I think a hole in the flexible duct was blowing over the wall socket and had caused the corrosion. I fitted a new plug to the drawer and a new wall socket and this has cured the problem. Many thanks for your advice.
Hi, nice one, glad to hear you found the fault and sorted it. Thanks for letting me know how it went as well. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.